vagus nerve is along with glossopharyngeal nerve coming from medulla. So glossopharyngeal and vagus both come from medulla. Yes, in fact, you have known in the medulla oblongata anteriorly we have pyramid on each side. Behind the pyramid you are having what is called as olive on each side, and behind the olive you are having number 9, 10 and 11. Which 11? Cranial part of 11. So you are telling first you have pyramid, yes, then you have some 12th nerve there, yes, after that you have olive, yes, and then you have the nerve number 9, 10, 11. Yes, behind the olive, yes, posterolateral to olive. So posterolateral to olive, you have number 9, 10, 11. From the medulla oblongata, yes, this is 10th nerve. Now, 10th nerve, as we are suggesting, supplying superior constrictor, middle constrictor, inferior constrictor. It is also supplying the muscles of the larynx, pharynx and palate also. And what else it is doing? Vagus nerve is supposed to supply constrictors and laryngeal muscles, and it is sensory to the posteriormost tongue. You remember? Taste and journal sensation, posteriormost tongue, fourth arch. So it is sensory not only to the tongue, it is epiglottis also, tongue and epiglottis, fourth arch, you know, and pharynx, larynx. Larynx, there is a vocal cord. Above the vocal cord, there is another branch of vagus, and below the vocal cord, there is another branch of vagus. And what is those branches? Separately we will discuss larynx, then we will discuss. So what are you doing right now? Supplying thorax, bradycardia, bronchoconstriction, and supplying abdomen till the midguts, till the kidney upper aerator, and also reaching pelvic cavity. Pelvic cavity, vagus nerve reach pelvic cavity. How? You know, ovaries, testes, gonads, yes, they are supplied by vagus nerve. Ovaries in the pelvis, yes, testis in the scrotum, yes, supplied by vagus nerve, yes, okay. So pelvic viscera also, yes, okay, fine. Then what about the other things? Actually, this is also talking about some lesion. So what lesion is there? Right-sided hemianesthesia. If the right nerve is gone, right-sided hemianesthesia means where?